Then this is the part 2 of the video. So we're going to go through the campaign we created, see how much we have spent within 2 days, and then how much traffic we have from the money we have spent. That's how it's supposed to be. Not telling you stories and not showing you the result. I'll show you how I can run arbitrage. I can create campaign on PlugRush for arbitrage. So let's see the results. So that is 2 days ago or so. So we created this video promo. Let me refresh it because some people will doubt that is a Photoshop. So let me refresh that. Good. I'm running 3 campaigns. I'm running 3 campaigns now. This is the 3 campaign I'm running. This is how much remains. This is how much I spent yesterday. I spent up to $12 yesterday. Then the day I started, I spent about $3, and today I spent $10. So from this day to this day, okay, within 2 days I've spent $23 or $22 plus. So let's see the traffic. So this is the main video. This is the campaign I created that day. This is the campaign I created that day, and this is the traffic. Okay, I have the traffic as 11. That's 11,331, and the cost is $10. So if this is 10,000, that means $1 is giving almost 1,000. But what you will now judge is not about how much you spent, but what about the conversion. So the conversion matters most. But whatever is the reason, so we'll keep on pushing it. This is order of my campaigns, how much I spent. So conversion matters most. So out of this 11,000, what you might have is about 3,000 or 4,000. Yeah, something like that. That's about 3,000 out of that 11,000. If you watch this 11,000, I spent $10, but this 5,000 and I've spent $9 plus. I'm going to stop this thing and this one. Why? Because the CPC is high here. The CPC is also high here. So that's the problem. And I don't have enough money on balance now, so I'm going to stop these 2 and continue with this one because the CPC is too high there. So I'll pause those ads and continue with only one. I'll pause this one. And also pause this one. So I'll continue with the one that is cheaper. So if $10 will give me 11,000, why should I spend $9 to get that up to 5,000? So that's how it was. You have to monitor it and know what to continue with and what not to continue with. You cannot just leave it, otherwise you might just spend money for nothing. So continue.